let's just suppose I have a startup which is in ML domain, and I'm actually building a team around MLOps. So, do I hire the same DevOps guy for this, or is there a different skill set for this?
Yeah, that's a good question. Andrew Ng recently ran a survey where he asked people who were listening to his lecture what they thought. And many of them thought that it was the machine learning engineer who should be aware of these because it's essentially under their domain. So you have a new rising field is a machine learning engineer, software engineer, which is basically somebody who knows the basics of machine learning and model development, but also knows from the deployment side how things occur in deployment, how to take it to deployment, how to monitor it, and how to keep the system healthy. So that's a new emerging field where you have people who know both ends of the problem. DevOps was also one of the options where DevOps engineers, they also learn basics of machine learning systems enough to develop those machine learning models and take them to production. So it's a mix. There's no right answer. There's trade-offs, obviously. If a DevOps person is handling everything on their own, they might miss out on some important parts that a data scientist or machine learning engineer knows. And similarly, if it's just a pure data scientist handling the operation parts, that would also lead to them missing out on a few important components that are required to deploy a service.